Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube stream key to OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a Create button there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Go Live. This option takes you directly to YouTube's streaming dashboard where you can manage all your live stream settings. After clicking, you'll need to wait just a few seconds while the page loads and prepares your streaming interface. Once the page is fully loaded, look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll find several options for managing your stream. Click on the Stream button. This section is specifically designed for setting up your streaming configuration and accessing the technical details you'll need to connect external broadcasting software like OBS. Now, in the middle of the stream page, you'll notice a button that says Learn how to use encoders. Click on this button to access additional streaming options. This opens up the encoder settings area where YouTube provides you with the specific information needed to connect third-party streaming software to your channel. Next, navigate to the Stream Key section. Right beside it, you'll see a Copy button. Click this button to copy your unique stream key to your clipboard. This stream key is essentially your personal connection code that allows OBS to broadcast directly to your YouTube channel, so keeping it secure is important. With your stream key copied, it's time to switch over to OBS. Open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches, look to the upper left corner of the window. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This opens up the comprehensive settings panel where you can configure all aspects of OBS, including your streaming destination. In the settings window, look at the left sidebar. You'll see various configuration options listed there. Click on Stream to access your streaming service settings. This is where you'll tell OBS which platform you're broadcasting to and provide the necessary authentication details. At the top of this section, you'll see an option labeled Service with a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the list of available streaming platforms, select YouTube RTMPS. This ensures you're using YouTube's secure streaming protocol for the best connection quality. Below the service option, you'll notice another setting. Click on Use Stream Key Advanced. This option gives you more control over your streaming configuration and allows you to manually enter your stream key rather than using simplified connection methods. Now you'll see a stream key section with a text field beside it. Click on this text field to activate it, then paste the stream key you copied earlier from YouTube. This links your OBS software directly to your YouTube channel and authorizes it to broadcast on your behalf. Finally, look to the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Apply to save your new streaming configuration, then click OK to close the settings window. Your OBS is now successfully connected to your YouTube channel and ready to stream. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.